To resolve the issue of being unable to sign and receive money with someone on the Cash App, several solutions can be attempted. This problem often arises due to security restrictions or account settings. To start, it's essential to verify the other person's account, as it might be restricted or blocked by the Cash App, in which case they should check for any notifications within their app. Additionally, ensure the recipient has an active and verified Cash account, as an inactive account can cause this issue. Checking blocked contacts is also crucial. To do this, go to the Settings and Privacy section in the Cash App and review the block list if the recipient is blocked. Unblock them by tapping their name in the block list and selecting the Unblock option. Regional restrictions are another potential cause, as the Cash App only operates in the US and UK. If either party is in a restricted area, transactions cannot be completed. Verify payment details to ensure the recipient's cash tag, number, and email are correct. Security and account flags can also block transactions if suspicious activity is detected. Ensure both accounts are verified, and avoid sending large or unusual payments that might trigger fraud detection. Updating the Cash App to the latest version is also necessary, as using outdated versions can lead to issues. Both parties should update their apps from the App Store or Google Play Store. If the issue persists, reaching out to Cash App support is the final step. Contact customer support by opening the Cash App, going to the profile icon, clicking on Support, then clicking on Something Else, selecting the issue, and contacting support. By attempting these solutions, the error should be resolved.